Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the videos.
Hi, welcome to the Morris Lyons Fall Car Show. And here, we hope you enjoy the following video for the US Classic Muscle Cars.
Hi, I'm Gary. This is my wife. We've had this 64 Corvette. It's saddle tan for 43 years. It's completely original. The paint is 43 years old. It had been done just before we bought it. It's got the original carpet, the original engine. It's an automatic power glide.
What size engine?
It's 327, 250 horse. It's automatic, air conditioned. It's one of 123 with the base motor and the air conditioned automatic car.
Is it one or two car owner?
I'm pretty sure I'm the second owner. I'm not for sure about that.
Okay.
Never could look it up.
Very, very nice. Look at that. Nice. And then do you take it on trips? Do you put some miles on it occasionally?
No, we just do local shows.
There you go.
Probably less than 50 miles each way.
Right. But you get a lot of looks, right?
Yes, we do.
And that's.
Yep.
And then have you ever always liked the Corvettes or the?
This is my third Corvette.
Okay.
Yeah.
And which ones did he have before?
I had a 61 and a 58, and I traded a 58 in on this when the second child was born. Back when it was legal to have the kids in the back.
And are these the original hubcaps?
Yes, they are.
Do they have a certain name to them that's unique, isn't it?
You could either get the hubcaps or the knockoff rally wheels, or knockoff wheels.
Take a peek. Actually, can you open the door so
Sure.
we can take a peek at the interior? That is nice. Look how he has the seatbelts, just like brand new out of the factory, right?
Yep. That's all the original carpet.
Very, very nice. Look at, and there's a lot of room in back.
Yep.
That is nice. I like that's a nice touch with the seatbelts that you've done there. Usually people do that with airplanes all the time.
That's the old traditional way.
Right.
Thank you for watching.
There you go.
Enjoy your day.
Thanks for watching the video on US Classic Muscle Cars. Please come back next year to Morris Lyons Club Car Show.
And remember to subscribe.
Please enjoy the next video.